यूट्यूब चैनल से और आज सब लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे स्टॉक के बारे में और लेटेस्ट अपडेट आप लोगों के साथ आज डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। और आप लोगों ने देखा जो स्टॉक के बारे में अभी जो लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ आ रहा है आप लोगों से डिस्कस करेंगे। और आप लोगों ने देखा जो डाउ हिट्स रिकॉर्ड हाई एनर्जी शेयर सर्ज एज इन्वेस्टर लुक पास्ट जो वेनेजुएला अटैक हो रहा है और वेनेजुएला टर्मोइल। ट्रम्प इज प्लानिंग टू मीट विथ executive from the US oil companies later this week to discuss the boosting Venezuelan oil production. Richards reported, citing a source of familiar with the matter. Major stock index and oil price gain on the Monday, with energy share climbing and the investor reacting the mostly calmly to potential market ramifications after a US military strike that captured the Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro. The Dow Jones Industrial Average hit a record high. The S&P 500 Energy Index rose to it is the highest since March 2025, with the shares of ExxonMobil up 2.2% and the Chevrons up 5.1%. Financial shares also rose while an S&P index of defense shares was up more than 1% after the dramatics the events in the Venezuela and the weekend. US President Donald Trump said he was putting the South American nation under temporary American control and that he could order another strike if Venezuela did not cooperate with US effort to open up its oil industry and stop drugs trafficking. He also threatened military action in the Colombia and Mexico. Trump is planning to meet with the executive from the US oil companies later this week to discuss boosting the Venezuela oil production. Richards the reported, citing a source of familiar with the matter. Oil price were also higher as traders assessed the possible impact on the crowd flow from the Venezuela, home of the biggest global oil reserve. और आप लोगों ने देखा आज जो लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ शेयर के बारे में और स्टॉक के बारे में। थैंक यू।